So we want to talk about the Lagrange mean value theorem or the mean value theorem. If f of x is known and differentiable and c is an element of a and b, so we are saying c is between a and b. So there is a mean value theorem formula which says f prime of c is equal to f of b minus f of a over b minus a, and you have to know that a is less than c is less than b. So let's go to the question. The question comes like, prove that b minus a over 1 plus b squared is less than arctan of b minus the arctan of a is less than b minus a over 1 plus a squared. So at this question we have to deduce f of x. So our f of x, we get our f of x here. So to get arctan of b and arctan of a, here x is substituted by b and here x is substituted by a. So our f of x is arctan of x, which means our f of b is equal to the arctan of b. Our f of a is equals to the arctan of a, and f prime of c, f prime of x is equal to 1 over 1 plus x squared. If we differentiate arctan of x, we get this one. How? By this method. You say y is equals to arctan of x, then tan goes this side and makes tan y is equals to x. Then you differentiate both sides. If we differentiate tan y, we get sec squared y dy over dx is equal to, if we differentiate x, we get 1, then dy over dx is equals to 1 over sec squared y, but tan squared y plus 1 is identical to sec squared y. So you came here and say dy over dx is equals to 1 over tan squared y plus 1. But tan y is equal to x. So dy over dx is equals to 1 over x squared plus 1. This is d over dx of arctan of x, which is equal to 1 over x squared plus 1. This is how to differentiate arctan of x. So here, this one is the derivative of arctan of x. So we want now f prime of c, which means x is substituted by c. So we get 1 over 1 plus c squared. Then we come here to our formula and we say this is f prime of c is equals to this one. So this one is f prime of c, which is this one. So we say 1 over 1 plus c squared is equals to f of b, which is arctan of b. So arctan of b minus arctan of a over b minus a. So yeah, a is less than c is less than b. So I want to formulate something like this here. So we square, since here there is 1 plus c squared. Then we add a positive 1 here, we add a positive 1 here, and we add a positive 1. Let's take, for example, a is 1, c is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. If we put 1 here, we get 2. If we put 2 here, we get 5. If we put 3 here, we get 10. So 2 is less than 5, 5 is less than 10. But if now we introduce a fraction like 1 over 1 plus a squared and 1 over 1 plus c squared and 1 over 1 plus b squared. If we look here, we have got 2, 5, and 10. So if we introduce a fraction like 1, 1, now these signs change because half is greater than 1 over 5 and 1 over 5 is greater than 1 over 10. So the sign goes like this. Then we rewrite this is 1 over 1 plus b squared is less than 1 over 1 plus c squared is less than 1 over 1 plus a squared, like this. Then now we continue from where we left. So if we take this one, if you see this one, it is this one, and this one is equal to this one. So we can remove this one and put this one. So 1 over 1 plus b squared is less than arctan of b minus arctan of a over b minus a of 1 over 1 plus a squared. Then we cross multiply both sides by b so that we can have this form. So if we cross multiply by b minus a here we're left with arctan of b minus arctan of a is less than, if we cross multiply here by b minus a, now 1 with 1 over a, like this. So this form is the same as the form that we want to prove. So hence shown. Please note to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Engineering Insight Academy. Thank you.